Good morning, children. The chapter name place value. In this chapter, today we are going to discuss about increasing order or ascending order, decreasing order or descending order. Increasing order and ascending order are same. Increasing order or ascending order. Decreasing order or descending order. Ascending order or increasing order is small to big. Ascending order or increasing order, small to big. Descending order or decreasing order, big to small. Descending order or decreasing order, big to small. Ascending order or increasing order, the numbers are arranged from lowest to highest. The numbers are arranged in lowest to highest. Descending order or decreasing order, the numbers are arranged from highest to lowest. Highest to lowest. The numbers are arranged from highest to lowest. Increasing order or ascending order, smaller to bigger, smaller to bigger. For example, see these numbers. First you check all the numbers are same digit number. First is 4-digit number, the next number is 3-digit number, next number 4-digit number, the next number 4-digit number. The 3-digit number is the smallest number, 4-digit numbers and all biggest number. Yes, you strike out this 3-digit number, you take it and write first 345. Then you compare thousands place value 2, 1, 3. 2, 1, 3. Which is the smallest number? 1 is the smallest number. You strike out that number 1456. Understood, children? Then you compare these two numbers 2, 3. Which is the smallest number? 2 is the smallest number. You strike out the 2 and write 2365. The remaining what number is there? 3172. You strike out and take it and write. The increasing order or ascending order, smallest to biggest. Smallest to biggest. Then move on to another example. All the numbers are same digit number. All the numbers are 4-digit number. All numbers are same digit number. All numbers are same digit number. All the numbers are 4-digit number. Then what you should do? You compare first thousands place value. Compare 1000 place value. 6, 3, 3, 6. Which is the smallest number? 3 is the smallest number. But two numbers are there in the thousands place 3 value. First you compare these two numbers. Compare the thousands place value. Both are same. 3, 3. Then move on to 100 place value. That is also same. 4, 4. Then move on to tens place. Tens place value 5, 5. Both are same. Then what you should do? Move on to ones place. 1, 6. Which is the smallest number? 1 is the smallest number. You strike out this number. 3451 is the smallest number. The next number, what number is that? That number 3456 is the next smallest number. Then next what you should do? You take that 6. The thousands place 6 is there, no? You take these two numbers. Thousands place value, both are same. Both are 6. Move on to 100 place. 5, 1. 100 place value, 5, 1. 1 is the smallest number. You strike out this number and take it and write. The remaining what number is there? 6529 is there. You take it and write. Increasing order or ascending order is smaller number to bigger number. Move on to the descending order or decreasing order or descending order. Bigger to smaller. Descending order or decreasing order. Bigger to smaller. Here all are same digit number. You compare the thousands place value. All are same digit, 4-digit number. You compare the thousands place value. All are same. Then what you should do? Move on to 100 place value. 7777. All are same. Then move on to tens place value. All are same. Move on to tens place value. All are same. 8 is there. All the numbers having 8 in the tens place. Move on to the ones place. Next move on to the ones place. 5, 1, 9, 2. 5, 1, 9, 2. Which is the biggest number? 9 is the biggest number. You strike out that and take it and write 2789. Next 5, 1, 2. Which is the biggest number? Yes, 5. 5 is the biggest number. You strike out and write 2785. The remaining ones place value 1, 2. Which is the biggest number? 2 is the biggest number. 2782. You strike out that number and write. Next, remaining number is 2781. You strike out and take it and write. Descending order or decreasing order means bigger to smaller. Next example. All the numbers are same digit number. You compare thousands place value. 8, 9, 3, 5. Which is the biggest number? 9 is the biggest number. You strike out it and take it and write. The remaining 8, 3, 5. Which is the biggest number? Yes, 8 is the biggest number. You strike out this and take it and write. Then move on to 3 and 5. Which is the biggest number? 5 is the biggest number. You strike out and write. The remaining number is 3000. You strike out this and write. Descending or decreasing order, big to small. In this chapter we discuss about increasing order or ascending order, decreasing order or descending order we discussed. All of them understood, children? Thank you, children.